Access Simulator is a new update in the Access Analyzer plugin. With this new update, we get two modules here in the Access Analyzer plugin, that is Access Simulator and Settings. If you have not watched my first video on the Access Analyzer, then please go and watch that first. I'll put the link in the description and then come back here. Let me click on Access Simulator. With this simulator, we can add a role to the user, we can remove a role from the user, we can add the user to the group, and we can remove the user from the group, and we can then simulate and check the results. Okay. For example, let me just go and simulate by adding the role to the user. Now I'll select the user, I'll select able tutor. I think there is some issue here, the name is not shown, but I'll just select it. The user is selected now. I'll select the role CMDB read. Okay, now we can select the table here. I'll select business applications table. Okay, now further we can select the record or the field. Okay, but I want to check the table level access, so let me just click on next. Now here this shows to able tutor we have added the CMDB read role. If this role contains any other roles, then it will show the inherited roles as well here in this hierarchy. Let me click on next now. Now we have the simulated results here. Now we can see here the present status is blocked for read, but now it is passed. Okay, with the CMDB read rule. Okay. Now we can see that for all other operations here for write, it is blocked still because we have added CMDB read rule that will allow only read access. Okay. So we can see a report view was blocked earlier. Now it is passed. Okay. Now I can just click on exit. But if I want to take the actions on this, like for example, if I want to add the CMDB read role to the able tutor with after looking at the results, then I don't need to go to the user table and then add it, but I can add it directly here. But for that we need to enable the setting. So let me go to settings here. Okay. So we have only one setting here, that is enable taking the actions on the role and group assignments. For example, if I want to add the CMDB read role to the able tutor, then I need to check this first, then we'll get the option in the simulator. Okay, let me just do that. I'll just click on accept and I'll just save this. Now we'll go back to the simulator and let's try adding one more time. Okay, now we can see we have one more option here, that is take action. If I earlier I had exit button here, but now I have next button. So if I click on next, then I can take the action here. Okay, now also I can skip and exit, or else I can add and complete. Okay, if I do add and complete, then the CMDB read role is added to the able tutor. Okay. Now let's try removing the role from the user. Let me just click on simulate. I'll select the user again, able tutor. Now I'll give that role which able tutor don't have. So I'll just add that and I'll select business application again here. Now I'll click on next. So it just says the user don't have this role. If we go to user record here of able tutor, then we can see able tutor only have CMDB read role. So let me just go back again and I'll simply add CMDB read. Okay, now we'll proceed. Now what happens when I remove that role? Okay, if I remove that role, only one role will be removed. Now we'll click on next. Now we can see the result here. Okay, now the present status with the CMDB read role, the able tutor user can access read access on business application table, but if we remove that, then that gets blocked. Okay, now we can see the result and next, and same way we can take the action here to remove it. Okay, but we don't want, so I'll just skip this. Now let's try adding the user to the group. Let me click on simulate blend. I'll again select the user able tutor and now select the group as change management, and I'll select the table change request. Okay, and I'll just click on next. Yeah, now it is showing. Once we do that, the able tutor will be added to this group, and he will get this change manager role, and then there are extended roles as well here. Okay, now I'll just click on next. Okay, now we can see earlier read is passed, now is also that is passed, but write and create were blocked earlier. But if we add the user to the change management group, then he will get these accesses. Okay, to create and write the change request. Okay, same we have here, the still listed, it will be blocked. after adding to change management group as well. Just click on next. Again, if we want to take the action, then I'll simply, before that, we'll just go here to the change management group. We can see we have only two users here, change manager and check Thomasi. But if I go to here simulator and if I click on add and complete, now we should expect three members here in this group. So let me just refresh it. Now we can see three members, and able is also a part of that. Okay. Now, same way, we can remove the user from the group as well. This is how Access Analyzer is used in identifying the access of the user and then improving the security posture of the organization. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit the thumb icon and add your valuable suggestions in the comment and share the video and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.